The art of classic car restoration. Classic cars like a 1969 Ford Mustang or 1957 Chevy Bel Air are rolling history. Restoring them is a craft that blends passion, skill, and nostalgia, keeping automotive icons alive in 2025. Why restore? Restoring a classic like a 1965 Pontiac GTO connects you to the past. It's hands-on, rewarding, and can be profitable. A 1970 Dodge Charger can fetch over $100,000 at auction. Plus, car shows and clubs build community. The process. Pick a car. Choose a project like a VW Beetle or Porsche 911. Plan and research. Study original specs and set a budget. Restorations run $20,000 to $100,000. Disassemble. Strip the car, inspect for rust, and catalog parts. Source parts. Find OEM or reproduction parts from suppliers like Classic Industries. Body and paint. Fix rust, dents, and apply period-correct paint like Candy Apple Red. Mechanics and interior. Rebuild the engine. Upgrade brakes, rewire, and reupholster. Reassemble and test. Put it back together and test for reliability. Challenges and rewards. Restoration takes time, thousands of hours, money, and skills like welding. Parts can be scarce, but driving a restored 1971 Plymouth Barracuda or showing it at Pebble Beach is thrilling. Classics like a 1969 Camaro can gain 10% in value per 2025 Hagerty data. Begin with a drivable 1980s BMW 3 Series. Join the Classic Car Restoration Club or visit SEMA. Invest in tools or hire pros for tough tasks. Restoration keeps history alive. Ready to restore a classic? It's a journey of passion and pride, preserving icons for the future.